What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, WCPB TV. For today, it's mail day, mail break. Welcome back, friends. Well, it's been a long time haven't we opening our packages. Before I open, shout out to our friends, Boy Enjoy, Genius TV, August, Dan Ban, Collectibles, Christian, yan, mga friends natin, mga sa Barikan. Good friends, Ronald, Jig, Canada, our Dota friends, Dondi, Papang, Ian, Chip, Raven, Master Mars, yan, mga friends natin dyan. Alright, Noy Uno, Collectibles, yan. Okay, it's been a long time, so we open up some nice mix po ito ng mga nakuha natin. Ano? Muna natin itong so trade to Zion, high voltage, saka bigay ni Dan yan. Maraming salamat, shout out. Yan, ganda. Thank you po. Okay, pause muna tayo ng mga singles dyan. Yan, pikas. Oh, ito. Uy, si Uncle mo Jeff Green. Galing kay Evolution Sports Marketing. Special days in May. Happy Teacher Day. Tagal na, oh. Happy Teacher Day. Yan. Dahil kino-collecta natin, we are collecting all the lineup in Denver Nuggets champion. It's been a long time. So, haven't been so busy. Haven't been so really into the hobby nowadays, but we push whatever we can do. Okay, this is Jeff Green Panini Crusade Auto ni Uncle mo Jeff Green, 14 of 75. Yun, ganda yan, no? Binubuo natin yan, boy. Okay, Uncle mo Jeff. Ito, di ko alam kung ano ito. Labo-labo na. Oh. Uy, yun nga, kasama din to si Uncle mo Ish Smith. Yan, mosaic orange scripts, number yata to. Uy, meron pa palang ano, isa pang auto, Rookie and Stars ni Monte Morris. Nung nasa ano pa siya, Denver Nuggets. So natin ipit na, boy. Ano ba sila? Number din yata to, di ba? Nako, sira na, kusot-kusutin na. Nako, inipit kasi, boy. Numbered ba to? Red lang. Krish na, oh. Ay, bad. Not good. Numbered ba to? Orange lang. Di maganda, boy. Sino seller to? Chris, boy. Balikan natin yan. Chris Cross. Not good, boy. I'm not happy, boy. I like that, boy. Okay. From Brownings Collectibles. Janka. Alright. We open the barek. Small ball. Ito natin to. Pinarik natin to continue. Yan, ito Tiny Pop Sports, barik din to. Nakuha natin. Hindi barik to. Uy, of course, ang nakatulong sa championship, si Uncle mo KCP, Kentavious Caldwell Pope Auto. Yun, no? Ganda ng pirma, buo na may numbered 12 of 25 Christmas half. 12 of 25. Ganda. Archetype. Wala ang tawag dyan. Ganda. Ganda ng kapal ng Recon. Yan. Bubuo na rin natin ang mga line-up, boy. Yan. Lagyan natin dyan. Up. Mamaya na yung mga barik. Barik din yata ito. Hindi. Hindi. Ito, maganda to. Ayan. We will go to the past. Check out the past. Later, I'll show you. Okay? Yung sa mga fans ng dyan. PBA. Yun. Ito. Meron din dito. Kapal ang kanyang. Yan. Tignan natin. Let's see who's this. Uy, ano pala to? Si Uncle mo, Reggie Jackson. You know? That's why I told you I'm completing the all-auto Denver Nuggets Championship lineup roster. You know? Meron ding Reggie Jackson na and of course the signature. Ayan. Kapasama yan dyan. Ito numbered yata to. Numbered niya 59 of 75. 59 of 75. Ayan. Ganda. Oh, okay, silver pa. Lagyan natin si Uncle mo, Reggie Jackson. Right? So natin to. Ito na lang to. Up. Ooh. Kai Soto Green. Thank you. Ayan, Kai Soto Green. Malapit na mabuo ang ating Rainbow Kai Soto Auto. Ayan. Ating Lodi. Last pack from eBay. Yan. Sa natin yung ni August. Uy! Ito pa pala isa. Slab PSA 9 of RC Auto of Michael Porter Jr. MPJ PSA 9. Yan, MPJ sensational signature. RC yan kasi 2018 Panini Prism rookie year niya. Alright, yan, at least meron tayong. We have our PSA 9 RC Auto of our shooter boy MPJ Michael Porter Jr. Now we go to very nostalgic. Ang kapal nito. Ang dami to eh. Yan. First up, pirma auto ni Kuya Marcus Dauthic, Gilas, Pilipinas. First successful naturalized. Yan. Ganda. Numbered 395 of 550. Yan. Bronze Siege authentic autographs. Yan. Ganda oh. And then of course our pinakaunang naturalized, then the latest naturalized player Benny Boatwright Red RC Auto. Yan. Gilas, Pilipinas din yan. Di siya numbered pero red parallel siya. Red on red. USC. Yes. Di sila nagkaabot ni Bronny. Pero US yan. Galing yan. Alright. Champion. San Miguel Beer. Man. Of course. Okay. And then dito tayo sa mga classic cards. Yan. Those who remember, naalala nyo pa ba si Tony Harris, Hurricane Harris? Yan, siya yan. Ng Swift. Swift nga ba? Yan, no? Umiscore lang naman siya ng 105 points sa PBA. Highest. Di pa rin siya nabe-break. Yan, Tony Harris. Ganda. And of course, Lamont Strothers. Yan, dalawang card niya, oh. Draft pick na classic. Ganda, linis. Lamont Strothers. San Miguel Beerman, champion. Yan. The Helicopter. Helicopter nga ba siya? Lamont Strothers. Yan, ganda. And of course, Ken Redfield. Champion din ng Shell and Pure Foods. Yan, oh, ganda. Diba? Ken Redfield sa mga nakakaalala. And of course, kumuha tayo ng Wayne Gretzky. Hindi mawawala ang idol natin. Yan, hindi pa rin nabe-break ang kanyang field goals. Upper deck. Of course, Oilers pa siya dito. Anong year to? This is year 99. Yan, Wayne Gretzky. And of course, refractor of our Kuya idol, Kuya Marcus Dauthic. Refractor. Rookie yan, Thunderbird siya. Yan, ganda. Who numbered? 113 of 999. Yan. Kuya Marcus Dauthic. Alright. Ganda. I'm very happy with this. Of course. Then we go to our mga galing kay August. Sana natin. Kaya to. Oop. Doble. Ano nang isa? Oop. Uy, Devin Booker. Na 2015 Panini Hoops Devin Booker RC card. Alright, USA team. Let's go, US. Nanalo yata ng US. Sana. And then, ito natin tong. Sana maganda. Ay, wala. Walang maganda, boy. Uy, Otto. Ni OMP. Thank you very much. Numbered, Julius Randle. Pakita natin yung OMP. New Grid RC. Yan. Then, Immaculate Collection, 6 of 35. Julius Randle. Sana bumalik siya, no? Wood RC ni Jaylen Brown. Yan. MVP. Finals MVP. RC. Revo. Ganda. Thank you po very much. And that would be all for today. Thank you very much. Until next time. See you. Bye-bye.